Samaya, do you want to know something cool about this place? This is the Chumash village of Shishalope in Ventura. This village stretched from Ventura all the way to Santa Barbara. The village expanded when the Europeans came in 1542 to the founding of San Buenaventura Mission in 1782. The word Shishalope translates to in the mud. In this area, the Chumash would build tumulus, which were their wooden canoes. The Chumash paddle out from this area to conduct trade, including fish, acorns, and breads. The homes in the village were dome-shaped and made of pliable willow. The Chumash were skilled at making baskets to hold food and water. This skill is very important considering they had no containers to hold their food. Thank you so much for coming with us to visit the Chumash village of Shishalope.
And don't forget to check our other radical walking tours. Thank you. Like and subscribe and comment down below.
Bye.